Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. We have what is called Mantra Shastra. It is in Sanskrit. Most of the slokas, mantras, because Sanskrit is Daiva Bhasha, he said God's words, divine. I covered from Veda, Upanishad, Brahma Sutras, Kavyas, all the Upanishads, of course, are many. About 108 I have covered. And then the Smritis, Shrutis, Puranas, all these are sources of our Vedanta. Mantra can do wonders with the metabolism, human system. Mind gets elevated. Human consciousness reaches through such high levels. I used to go into trance where you are one with the God, they say. You will experience peace and happiness. What is that experience of peace? If you read the Sanskrit slokas, mantras, just chant Ram, 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 Ram. It elevates. I used to go into a trance with this mantra. Shiva in Benares instructs. I got direct instruction from the Lord saying, yes, Sri Rama, Rama, Rama. That is the instruction he gave to Parvati Mata. What more do you need? In the modern world now, for the last 7 to 8 months, we are going about covering our noses and mouths without any hope of seeing in the near future. So, second wave, third wave, it will go on like that. In the first instance, I gave this mantra Ram Ram. Vigorous chanting of Ram Ram drives away the COVID sort of, you call it uh, infection. Immunity you have to develop. So this is the mantra, Ram Ram. So there are other mantras are given, but this Ram 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 is the source of all Vedanta. Entire Hindu philosophy originated. This is the Big Bang of our Vedanta. Veda itself confirmed. Vedavedye pare punch jate dasaradatmaje Veda pracheta sadasit sakshat Ramayanatmana. If the scholars understand this and propagate, stick to that basic principle of Rama chanting, it will do wonders to our Ramarajyam was established. The foundation was this Rama Shabda. Shabda is the foundation for the entire Vedanta, for Ramarajyam, for our system, entire system. 72,000, they say nerves, all they are governed by this vibration of Ram, 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 Ram. I have given it. This is the spiritual switch. If you switch on, the lights are there, you can see everything. That's why inward, there is a world inside, in the body. That is Veda. Lord Deho Devale Prokto Jivo Deva Sanatana. The Lord is seated in you. The beat is Ram Ram, Ram Ram. The heart, we cannot hear below certain decibels. Ram Ram is the beat of the heart. This is the secret of creation. I have written in English, Sanskrit, and Telugu. By direct inspiration, only by God's grace, you write poetry. Poetry is such a divine blessing. Even Westerners, John Milton and others also accepted it's the Lord's grace to become a poet. I happen to write, this is the picture of Rama on which if you concentrate, it elevates your consciousness. I read out this small book, Srimad Ramayana Paramartham, 24,000 slokas condensed into 24 slokas. 24,000 into 24 number. Without losing the spirit, substance. Valmiki himself gave this greatness of it. He had the foresight that in Kali Yuga they may not have time. Reading this itself will instill the qualities of Rama. Qualitative input of spiritual knowledge is the theme of Veda. So I wrote Srimad Rama. This is Rama Pattabhishekam. You have the Lord Vishnu, Lakshmi, Sita Mahalakshmi, Brahma, Shiva, and his progeny. Brahma is progeny. Anjanaya. This is a beautiful picture to contemplate upon. You have to contemplate on certain things. That will elevate. Just as if you look at the rising sun in the morning from the sea. I used to sit in the beach. I used to go into a trance. The beauty of it. You forget the mind. Anxiety is a stress-free life, they say. Serene atmosphere. There is in the world. If you seek it, you will get it, you will find it. That's what they say. Seek, you shall find. Nobody is seeking. We are so much in the vortex of this confusion, violence, which Gita put everybody in this war. So I read out because people complain that I have not written in Telugu. I have written, early times I have written for children. Now also, at the request of my friends, I prayed and I got a poem. It runs like this. Paramatma ninu nemarimpanivi sampattul. Ninum briti chaturi. Natyaturatan sada maragi ende boni dullambu. Ni darikinjeredu dari naraya సమర్థంబైనదే బుద్ధి నీ పరిచర్యన్ వినియుక్తమే తనువు రామా భక్త కల్పద్రుమా. This small poem describes the essence of life, the totality of our Vedanta concept. What is wealth? Which should not make us forget the Lord. Then Manas, the mind, should be always ready to serve the Lord. That is your Manas, the mind. Then నీ దరికింజేరెడు దారి నారయ సమర్థంబైనదే బుద్ధి. Your intellect, intelligence should lead you to the feet of the Lord. Find the way to reach the feet of the Lord. Then your body in the service of the Lord. This is the poem, the content of the entire our Vedanta, how to make your life worthy. This is the poem in Telugu. In Sanskrit, we have, of course, thousands, lakhs. I can recite 1,000 easily. One important thing which is presented as for this Ramarajyam, Rama Pattabhishekam. वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रभञ्जनसुतो तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परम्. व्याख्यातं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलं. This describes the scene of Rama Pattabhishekam, Ramarajyam, when it was. Then further, Veda said, Vedavedye pare pumsi jate dasarathatmaje, Veda prachetasa dasit, sakshat Ramayanatmana. Anantavai Veda, not the four. The four also, they give only Ramayana. Ruk, Rama. Ma, Sama. Yajur, Ya. Adharvana. So all the four Vedas, the letters Ramayana. Then further it does elucidates. Vedavedye pare punsijate dasarathatmaje. Rama is Vedavedya, Vishnu. Veda prachetasa dasit sakshat Ramayana. Veda has come down as Ramayana through Valmiki by the chanting of Ram, Ram, Shabda. Saraswati's word form is Ramayana. When Valmiki expressed difficulty in writing Ramayana, Brahma comes and tells him, you just hold your pen. At that time it is the, so Saraswati will come down, flow like the Ganga, sacred Ganga. Entire Ramayana is the Saraswati's form, the goddess of knowledge and wisdom. That is, entire thing is in the Ramayana. Then, Daivadhinam Jagat Sarvam, Mantradhinam tu Daivatam, Tan Mantram Brahmanadhinam, Ram Ram iti Pratishrutam. This is another sloka. Further, Sarva Manava Hrudayastham, Sarva Shwasa Nibaddhitam, Srushtikarta Sushwasanam, Brahma